Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are here with an exciting topic, that is enabling data layer on Shopify website without any apps. If you want to enable data layer on Shopify website with an apps, you have to pay $40 to $50 per month, or you have to pay $300 to $400 for an on-time payment. But I am going to show you how to enable data layer on Shopify website without any single penny from your pocket. So let me show how to enable data layer on Shopify website without any apps and any cost. To enable data layer on Shopify website, we have to follow some steps. The first step is that we have to log in the backend of the Shopify website. I have already logged in on the backend of my Shopify website, and then I have to connect with the Google Tag Manager. So I have to create Google Tag Manager base code. I have already created the base code. Now I have to put the base code on on Shopify website header section and the body tag on the body section. I copied that code and I put this code on the head section of the website. So go to the website and themes, then press the three-dot icon and edit code. Then you will find here the header. After the opening head tag, you have to put the code. So I have put it the code here. Then I have to copy the body tag. I copied the code and I put this code on the immediately after the body tag. Where is the body tag? This is the closing head tag. Then the opening body tag is started here. So I have put the code here and save change. So it should be connected the website with with the Google Tag Manager. I have published the tag and I will preview this code. Before that, I will add data layer code by adding a snippet on the website backend. So here is the code. I have a document here. I will share the document with you so that you can enable data layer on your website without any cost. So I am opening a document. Show all page data layer. Here is a code and here is a code. I have marked an YOLO tag on the Google Tag Manager code. You have to replace your Google Tag Manager code and copy all the codes with all the codes and put it here. You will see the Google Tag Manager code unique ID. You have to replace that with your Google Tag Manager code. So I have I am going to before that I have to create a snippet. So go to the snippet section and add a new snippet, and the snippet name should be the data layer wall page, or you can name as you like, but you have to remember the name. So I have created the data layer snippet for all pages here and done. Then I have to put the code here. I have already added on the document. So I copy the code. I have to copy the code and put this code here. And save. Then I have to call the data layer code on the header section of the website. So I have to go again on the theme.liquid section and I put this script on the before the closing head tag, that else. So going to the closing head tag, that is the closing head tag, and immediately before that I have to put the script. So I put the script here and saves. Have the save. So now your turn to exit. Now I have another code for the second page. Now you have to press the setting button, then check out. Then you will find here a script, additional script. dialog box. You can here is another file I will share with you. This is the checkout page script. I am already changed the Google Tag Manager code. Here you will find the Google Tag Manager code. You have to change the Google Tag Manager code with your Google Tag Manager. Now I am going to put this code here and save change. Now all the works are fine. Now we have to publish the code again, as we have changed we have already added 2 scripts on our website. So I have to change publish the code again, publish the tag again, and we will preview if the data layer code works perfectly. So go to the preview section, workplace section, and go to the preview, connect on our demo website. I am opening an product, so it shows that already data layer fine. We will here now the view item data layer. Here is a data layer. We can add to cart button. Click on the add to cart button. Where is the website? The website is here. We can add to cart this product. Then we can view cart. So we can add to cart. This is the view cart event, and this is the add to cart event. All events are fired perfectly, and here is a data layer. So I have to go to the checkout, and I will purchase this product. Checkout, and I will put a discount code on 100 so that I can reduce the price to 00, because it is a development website. With the development website we cannot order with full payment. So continue payment. Now I have purchased it from this complete the order. I have purchased it successfully, and there is a here should fire that purchase tag as well. Here is the purchase. So here is the purchase tag. All the I have purchased the total value 000. So here is the course for purchase DIGITONICA. Here is so the data layer code perfectly works perfectly. If I see with an extension, Google extension, I can see that data layer codes. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will share the document with you. Also, thank you so much. And now you can enable data layer on your Shopify website without free of charge. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, you can subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon, and share this video. Thank you so much.